And all across the Bay Area right now, fundraising efforts continue to pop up to help those affected by the wildfires. KTVU's Zach Saz has been speaking with some of the people behind those campaigns, and he joins us now live. Zach?
Yeah, two of the people I spoke to actually born on Maui, so understandably they are still reeling from what happened back home. Despite everything, though, they're doing what they can to help, coordinating a unique fundraiser in San Francisco's Mission District that will take place tomorrow. Maui natives Alea Lundblad and Maddie McGain busy helping prepare hundreds of spam Musubis for a relief fundraiser in San Francisco on Friday. The pair still haunted by what they experienced back home last week.
And you're hoping that they'll get help, but there was no guarantee for any of them, and they couldn't communicate for 48 hours after that, so you're just hoping and praying that they didn't burn.
Her immediate family safe, but some of her relatives, friends, among the more than 100 that didn't make it out of Lahaina. For those who did survive, their homes, businesses, now completely gone.
So it's going to be continuous in terms of the grief, but also the support we can show.
The owners of Hawaiian restaurant Outer Orbit in the Mission volunteering their space for the prep work. The fundraiser slated to take place on Dolores and 18th from 5 to 6 on Friday evening.
Watching our community on the ground take care of each other, that has been a huge inspiration for us to come here and do something.
In San Francisco's North Beach neighborhood, workers from the International Longshore Union Local 10 similarly inspired to do their part.
You know, a lot of us have like a personal connection with Hawaii. Some of us have family.
All week long, Bo Logo and his team have been filling containers with donations bound for Maui. Friday, they'll get started on their third. His mother among those dropping off supplies with a letter.
Our prayers and support are with you as you recover from this horrific tragedy.
Volunteers asking for things like camping supplies, generators, baby supplies.
Right here, we have pet food.
Many pets didn't survive. Others were left badly burned, some now displaced from their homes and headed to area shelters. To make room for them, Maui Humane is flying out 60 animals that were already in their shelter before the fires broke out.
We'll be receiving 10 dogs, 2 puppies, and 11 kittens. We're really excited to welcome them.
Marin Humane among several area shelters busy preparing.
This is where the doggies will come.
Beds and tunnels for them to play in, ready for their arrival on Friday.
We'll also make sure that medically they're doing okay, and the ones who still need to be spayed or neutered will get that, and then we will find them forever homes.
And Marin Humane says they also plan to donate all adoption fees tied to those Maui animals they receive back to Maui Humane. They're hoping the dogs and cats will be ready to go up for adoption on Tuesday, but they say anyone interested in adopting them should call the shelter beforehand. Alex?
All right, Zach, it is great to see the way the community is stepping up here in the Bay Area. Appreciate that.